Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to use CASIO graphics calculator to solve a matrix question. So you're using matrix algebra to solve from unknown scalar quantity. So let's have a look question. We got A, give you 3 by 3 vectors, matrix. Sorry, before I continue, can you just remind everyone to subscribe channel to help this channel to continue grow. And also don't forget, give us thumbs up. All right, so we got a 3 by 3, the square matrix. So we need so give the equation of, so we got a matrix equation. And then we got, so we need to find those three scalar quantities. So using matrix algebra. So we're going to use graphics calculator. So let me show you how to use CASIO. I know some school, some students are using different brand, but its principle is the same. So I've got a CASIO, open it up. So I'll go to the manual one. Then I'll got, see, I've got a button F4, got a maths. I'm going to press F4. So then I'll choose F1 for matrix or vectors. I'm going to choose that. So now I've decided to determine the dimension. So I'm going to use F2 to get 3 by 3. Now, the reason I'm using that is easy for me to enter the data. So I'll put a 1, cross over to 2. Next one will be 2. So you can see my operation is pretty straightforward. 2, cross 1 again, cross 1, and down. Go back to the first one, 2, 2, and 1. So we got data enter. So double check, see if, let me just double check, see if it's correct. Yep, it's all good. Make sure you enter the element is right. So now I'm going to move cursor to the right. So I'm going to make a to the power of 4. So which would be easy. So I'm going to put the index, which is 4. So which is easy to operate. And I'm going to press. So that give us pretty big. So 1. Sorry, that's 177, 176, 1744, 144, 145, 120, 176, 176 again, and 145. So that's a to the power 4. Then we do a to the power 3. So we do one at a time. So a to the power 3, I'm going to go back to the equation. So I'm going to using the arrow up. So what I'll do is I'm going to delete. So I'll delete the top, become 3 instead of 4. So just do. I'm going to delete that. So I'll make. I'll make a. I'm going to put a cursor next to it. Delete. Make a 3. So then I'm going to press enter. Oh, sorry. All right. So I'm going to press enter. Press execute. So the answer a to the power 3 will be 37, 38, 32, 32 again, 31, 25, 38, 38, 31. All right, I'm going to do those ones, save my time. I'm going to do a to the power of 2. So we get same thing. We got square is 9, 8. Same process. Repeat the same process on the graphics calculator. So you will get a to the power of 2. So now we got, so therefore we're going to put the all together. So left-hand side is 133, 1776, 144, 144, 145. So we establish order left equal to right, so we then find out the elements. So the right hand side is p times a to the power 3, so it'll be, I'll put a p outside, otherwise a lot of writings. 32, 32, 31, 25, 38, 38, 31, plus p or q is to the power 3. So, sorry, q is a square term, so which is 9, 8, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 8, 7, and plus the next one will be r to the power of 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, and so then I'll go into the last one will be, sorry, plus one more term, which is 3 to and times by I. I'm going to times in 3, 1 becomes 3. So diagonals all 3s. All right, now we're going to compare the first row of, so we're going to row 1. So we're going to compare to row 1 of left equal to right. So we'll highlight that. So row 1 will be, so we choose the row 1. So left-hand side of equal to right-hand side, we use row 1. So we'll get a simultaneous equation, which is 177 is equal to 37p plus 9q plus r plus 3. Next one will be 176 equal to 38p plus 8q plus 2r plus 0. So the next one, 144 equal to 32p plus 6q plus 2r equal to 0 again. So then we put a, let's simplify a little bit better. So we put it into 37p, all the unknown variables on the right, left-hand side, equal to 174. Next one, 38p plus 8q plus 2r equal to negative 170. Actually, it's a positive 176. Next one will be 32p plus 6q plus 2r equal to 144. So that's my simultaneous equation. Then I'm going to use the so we're going to use the matrix system to solve that. So we're going to put the coefficient matrix. So it'll be 37, 9, 1, 38, 8, 2, 32, 6, 2. So we're using matrix equation. So our PQR is the vertical one equal to the right hand side 174, 176, 177. So now we know to solve that. So P, Q, R, which is the inverse of 37, 9, 1, 38, 8, 2, 32, 6, 2, then inverse multiply by 174, 176, 144. So obviously you can just enter the data into your calculator, put a -1 as a power. So you'll get, I'm going to reduce the amount of time I use. So 2, 10, 10. That was the one let me just check the, so I'm going to do this 2, 3 by 3 again. So I'm going to enter those 37, just quickly see if my answers right. So I'm going to double check for that. 38, 8, 2, yeah, 32, 6. Make sure you don't get any numbers entered wrong, otherwise you have to start again. -1 is the index. Then you multiply by, we're going to do 3 by 1 vector, which is 174, 176, 144. Oh, sorry. You can go down to the next cell. 144 and move out. Press enter. 21010, which is correct. So you got 21010. So therefore, we got P is 2, Q is 10, and R is 10. So we solve. All right, that's the process of using graphics calculator to solve matrix question using matrix algebra. Thank you for watching. Please give us thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to continue support the growth of this particular channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.